Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to arrange two workbooks in Excel. So let's start with my Excel file and you can see I have a data with the Excel tutorial file name. Okay, just go to the View tab in Windows group, click on the new window. It's automatically added Excel tutorial 2. When I click on it, see here the Excel tutorial 2 is added. Now I'm going to arrange these both window. Go to the same as View tab. In Windows group, click on the Arrange All. And here the Arrange Windows dialog box is open. In Arrange, select the Arrange. So I select here the vertical way. And you can select here the horizontal and other option. So I select here the vertical and click on OK. And that's it. The both Excel file, the Excel tutorial 1 and Excel tutorial 2 is both is vertical way is arranged. Okay. When you enter here in Excel tutorial 2 some amount, suppose I'm going to add here data. So I add 12 slash 0 1, okay, 2024. And you can see here the automatically data is added. Okay, when you enter here something, it's added here also. Okay, suppose I enter here, see all data is automatically added here, same as in sheet number 1 also, in Excel tutorial 1 also. Suppose I enter here 12/04 2024. See here again data here automatically capture. Okay, so this is a way you can use here the Windows option in Excel, and you can arrange the window in vertical, horizontal and other ways. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.